Uber Eats provides several ways to contact them in case anything happens with an order. Most issues with Uber Eats can be solved within their help center. To get there, go to the Account tab at the bottom of your screen in the app. Tap Help. Choose the option that most closely relates to your issue. Then, see if any of their FAQs answer your question or solve the issue. If you need to contact Uber Eats directly for a more unique or serious issue, you can also contact Uber Eats by phone or email. If you'd like to speak with them over the phone, dial 800-253-9377. If you'd rather communicate via email, then send a message to eats@uber.com. Remember, never send out sensitive information like your password or credit card number via email. An Uber Eats representative should never ask you for those details over email messages.